everyone in my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you pizzeria in Kyiv. That pizzeria exists already over here 30 years, and that pizzeria is the first one that they start to make delivery. We're gonna come to that pizzeria and we're gonna try the pizza, and also I'm gonna show you all the prices. So it's nobody on the restaurant, that's why the waiter bring to other menu very fast. And when I open the menu, what I see, the menu in Ukrainian language and also in English. On the first page we can see breakfast, we can see crepes for example, it's from 1 until 3 euros. I think it's not too much expensive. Also, if we go much more down, what I see, also recommended, cacao, honey, also the prices is not too much expensive. Starters next page, you can see that the price is plus or less the same, it's like from 2 until 4 euros. Also you can try potato vareniki, I recommend you. Also salads, there are standards like Caesar, Greek salad, tuna salad, chicken salad, so you can find what you like much more. And also they have toppings for the salads. Soups, they have soups on that restaurant that it's very nice, because when it's cold weather you can come and eat some hot soup and also choose the toppings for the soup. Over here we can see pasta, 5 positions they have, but pasta it's in any restaurant, and over here it's the most 5 popular dishes, and also topping for the pasta you also can choose. Next page we start with the pizza. Okay, you can see that they have the classic one, the vegetable one, vegetarian pizza even they have. And the difference between the prices, by the way, is because of the size. The small size, the middle size and the big one. Wow, that page is for the meat lovers. You can see the meat pizza and super meat pizza. And I think that they put the paper on the menu, it's to show to the people that the pizza very spicy, to be careful with that. Also they have the pizza with the chicken, they have pizza with the seafood, and also the new pizzas, Napolitana slice and Hawaii slice, but just in one size, if you can see. But I don't see too much problem. If you want something else, you ask something else. And over here what we have, pizza build your own, toppings. They have so many toppings over here. You can choose cheese, what you want, feta, parmesan, sauce, or the meat, chicken, ham, bacon, salami. They have a lot of options what you can choose and build your own pizza. Also here they have seafood, vegetables and greens. Everything by the grams, and depends how many grams you choose, that price you're gonna pay. And over here we have desserts. Oh guys, I'm not sure that somebody after pizza can handle dessert. I already chose the pizza. I showed you the prices. We choose the big pizza, the half of the cheese, and the half will be Napolitana. With the big dough, I will gonna show you the pizza. Now we are waiting the pizza. I'm gonna tell you how many times we were waiting, and I will gonna pass the time drinking the wine. So now I get my pizza with the cheese. It's getting with the feta, parmesan, blue cheese and white sauce. So many cheese. Cheese lovers, you must to taste it, because I fall in love with that pizza. I like it a lot. That is the best pizzeria in Kyiv, Vesuvio. That exists already 30 years, guys. Who was trying the pizza? Write to me under the video if you like it. Now is the turn of the another half of the pizza. The name is Napolitana. You see it's with the mushrooms, onion, and the meat. So I'm gonna try it. That is the best pizza of my childhood. We always, the family was asking the pizza when I was small and when my brother was small. It's our favorite pizza. So that's pizza we always order. I really recommend you to try that pizza. I will gonna enjoy it, and after I'm gonna show you the bill, and I will gonna tell you what I think about that restaurants in many years that I know that restaurants already. So we already pay our bill, and we was not finishing our pizza, so we asked to put it on the box for takeaway. So on that pizzeria, everything amazing, but it's one stuff that I was not liking too much, because when they make the bill, they don't make the bill from the cash system, they write everything. So like that, I don't know, maybe in cash system they put that the pizza costs, for example, 400 hryvnias or something, we pay 670, and maybe 270 hryvnias is going to their pockets. I don't know, because for me in 21st century it's very strange. Then the people make the bill by writing by the pen. So who was on that pizzeria with Zoe? You can write to me under the video who liked that stuff, who liked that pizza, and also tell me your opinion about the video. Subscribe on my channel. See you.